Nissan Sentra 2009 to 2012. To drain the coolant for use without making a mess, locate the drain plug at the middle of the radiator, loosen it just enough to let the coolant flow. Do not unscrew it completely and drain it into a clean container. If you cannot loosen the plug by hand, use a pair of pliers.